Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Anu from Meraki Home Studio. So today I am going to give you 10 simple hacks for quick makeover of your existing home without spending much and without any major renovations. So let's quickly begin and I'll take you point-wise through 10 simple hacks. The first one is an instant refreshing hack, and that is indoor plants. Basically, you can go for indoor plants which do not need much of an effort. You can simply pick and choose and place them in your home. There are multiple ways of placing them, and trust me, it simply livens up the space. For example, you can go for a huge snake plant in one of the corners. You can go for small potted plants on your cabinets, on your tables, on your windowsills. And you can also go for some hanging plants in any of your space or in your hallways or passageways. This, while it is something that is very refreshing, it's very easy to do, and you can choose the plants which you like and love, and just make sure that you pick the ones that are easy to maintain as per your lifestyle and your convenience. Hack number 2, artworks and paintings. So basically, it sometimes feels that placing artworks or getting arts for your home is a big task and you have to have that knowledge of art, but that's not true. You can quickly transform the look of your home by using simple artworks, and these also does not have to be the authentic hand painted ones. You can simply go for the pictures or prints that you like, and you can get nice high resolution printouts, frame them and simply put them up on your blank walls to just change the complete look. You can use the pictures or photos that you like. You can also go for your family photos, your travel photos, and you can create beautiful collages on the walls that you feel are looking blank in your house. Hack number 3, rugs and carpets. So rugs and carpets are something that can change the whole vibe of the space. It gives a more comfortable feel, it gives more cozy feel, and it gives a depth and texture to the space. So when you're putting up a rug or a carpet in any area, it kind of defines the zone and makes it easier for you to place the furniture also. And you can also give like a pop-up and highlight using small rugs which are in colorful prints or different colors in front of your accent chairs, or in front of your bed, or just anywhere in your passageway as well. You can go for simple textured rugs in your hallway and wherever your seating space is. And this kind of changes the whole look of the space and adds texture and depth to the whole look. Hack number 4, textiles and furnishings. So this is another way of changing the look majorly. It can change the whole look majorly, and you can simply go for new bed sheets, you can go for cushion covers, you can add up some throws, and you can go for some flowy curtains which can completely transform the look of your house. Here, the tip here is that you can go for layers while planning your home furnishing. For example, you can combine linen with velvet and create that drama. You can combine cotton with knits, and you get that nice layer with different textures. And this kind of gives you a cozy, chic and elegant look. In terms of curtains also, you can have a combination of different colors. You can have a combination of plain and printed curtains. So a lot can be done using home furnishing because there's a lot to play with. There are multiple types of textures, different types of fabrics available out there. And on that also you have different types of work that can be done on the fabric, like prints, embroidery, simple combination of solid colors. And yes, in terms of furnishing, you can add some pop-up or highlight kind of home furnishing, like throws on your sofas, like table mats and table runner in your dining space. All this can simply create a very elegant and a very nice look, and all within your budget. Hack number 5, wallpapers and wall decals. So wallpapers these days are very easy to install. You can simply buy them from any website. There are multiple websites, those are selling good wallpapers, and they have beautiful prints that you can choose from. You can simply order them and you can get them installed very easily on your walls. The wall decals are something that are basically peel and stick, so that is also very easy to use, and these are like a very good option for rental homes or for changing the look frequently. You can simply change them anytime, and again they don't cost much. Hack number 6, wall paint or color blocks. So this is a very basic and very simple way of highlighting and changing a blank wall in your house. You can simply change the color of a complete wall. That is one way. Another way is that you can block some part of the wall in a different color and the other part in a different color to create that contrast. You can go for geometric shapes on the walls, like simply you can go for a circular shape on the wall, or a rectangular shape, or an arch shape, and you can have like two colors on the wall, which can give it a very designer look also. And you can go for colors like blush pink, sage green, or terracotta. These are kind of trending colors these days. Talking about paint is stencil art. So with paint only, you can create some motifs or patterns on your wall. For example, you have a plain white wall. You can get nice stencils which are easily available online, and you can just simply put that stencil and put a different color of paint on top of it using a roller, and there is a very beautiful look that you can create using these stencils. And wall panels or wall trims. So this is something again that is easy to do, and yes, it needs a little bit of effort. You have to be a little you have to work a little bit on it. You have to put them up on the walls, but yes, they are very easy to do and come at lower prices. So you can go for these moldings, French moldings or beadings that are available in the market. These come in MDF as well as in wooden finish, so you can choose as per your choice. And one way is that you put up the beadings in rectangular or square shape or simple lines. You can paint them as the same color of your wall, or even you can change the color and create a contrasting look. Then there are MDF panels that can be done very easily. You can go for just a thin MDF sheet which can be cut into an arch shape or any other shape that you like, and can be installed on the wall. Again, same thing, you can simply paint them of the same color of your wall, or you can create a contrast again. Inside the shape, you can go for a different color. In this, basically, you can combine the previous element also, like the wallpapers and decals. So you can do some part panel and you can combine the wallpaper with it. For example, you can create an arch using a beading, and inside that you can put the wallpaper. We have done that in a lot of our projects. Second option of fluted panels, that is something that has been trending for quite some time now and people love it. So you can go for ready-made fluted panels that are available in the market. Those need to simply be installed on the wall. You can, if you want to, customize it as per your taste, that is also possible. You can go for MDF fluted panels where you can, play with the thickness, depth and all of the flutes, and then you can have it in any color that you want as per your choice. Hack number 9, refurbishing old furniture. Basically, if there's any old furniture or a chair or a table or a coffee table or any console table, any old furniture that you might have, even the beds and sofas. So there are ways of refurbishing them. You can simply change the color of the furniture using paint, and you can change the upholstery and just make it a completely different piece. Here, a pro tip is that you can use the leftover paints that you might have used on your panels or walls. You can also use your leftover, scrap of wallpapers to just create that nice look. And you can see on the internet a lot of people are, refurbishing and renovating. So you can do a DIY, and it just can be a nice hobby. It can be a nice, way of unwinding also for you. And finally, the last hack number 10, that is lighting. It's one of the most important ones, and it can completely make or break the vibe of a room. While doing lighting, you can simply change your existing plain ceiling lights to maybe hanging lights or chandeliers or maybe a pendant light. And while doing lighting, you have to ensure that you play with the layers again. There are 3 types of lights that need to be considered. One is your ambient lighting. Second is your task lighting, which is basically for working or for studying. And the third is accent lighting, which is basically to highlight any wall or, which is basically a decorative piece of light. For example, if you put up a wallpaper on a wall inside an arch, so you can put a nice wall scone on that. So that's an accent light. So yes, lighting is something that, completely changes the ambience and the mood of the space. And that's an important thing that you should definitely consider and rework on that to change the entire vibe of your house. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you are going to try one of these hacks. Which one are you going to use first? Do let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.